flip this off, pliers, bam, like that. Screwdriver right here, get that off, flip it around like that. Alright, then these things just pop off, like this. There's 4 of them. This is a 10mm I got off. This thing will just pop off like this. That's it. So then you loosen this bolt right here on the bottom. This one here on the top. Right, this screw. This pulls off. That comes off. As you said, we opened all these up. This pops off. Good. Cut it. Next, you pop this off. I'm saving everything. I'm putting everything in a box right here. Yep. Alright, then back here. Take a 10mm. You got one here. You got one here. And one here. Maybe I have one here. Stop. Get these 2 10s out, maybe 3. And then this unplugs from the bottom. And just rip it off. Now if you look at these, one's worn out, as you can see. Right here, I'm going to replace it. It's supposed to look like that. These twist off. And that's it. Go ahead. Alright, now I'm under the car, so you don't really have to do all this, but I'm removing this too. This is the oil line, the oil or that went up to the oil filter. That's the bottom of it. Came right out of there, and I'm just gonna take it out just to clean it. So then we take this part out. We detach it from the bottom. The best way is just turning it like this and sliding it out, and that's it. As you can see, the reason I'm taking this out is just to clean it. I'm going to tune this car up really good.